Plant FAQs. Platycerium quadridichotomum. Platycerium quadridichotomum, a rare fern with a split personality. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to delve into the fascinating world of the Platycerium quadridichotomum, a fern unlike any other. This Madagascan wonder boasts unique characteristics and specific needs that make it a captivating addition to any fern enthusiast collection. What is Platycerium quadridichotomum? Let's break down the name. Platycerium comes from the Greek words plates, meaning broad, and caryon, meaning little horn, referring to the fern's shield-like fronds. Quadridichotomum translates to 4 times forked, a fitting description for the fern's signature feature, its fronds that consistently divide into 4 segments. This epiphytic fern, meaning it grows on other plants in the wild, thrives in Madagascar's wet tropical forests. It boasts 2 distinct frond types. Shield fronds. These sterile fronds cling to the mounting surface, forming a protective shield for the plant's roots and aiding in moisture retention. Fertile fronds. Upright and forked into 4 segments. These house the fern's spores for reproduction. The contrast between the flat, shield-like sterile fronds and the forked, upright fertile fronds creates a visually striking appearance, earning Platycerium quadridichotomum nicknames like staghorn fern or elkhorn fern. Is Platycerium quadridichotomum difficult to grow? This fern has a reputation for being challenging to cultivate. Here's why. Specific light requirements. Platycerium quadridichotomum thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Too little light hinders growth, while excessive direct sun can scorch the fronds. Moisture management. Mimicking its natural habitat, this fern requires consistent moisture but dislikes waterlogging. Finding the right balance is crucial. Temperature preference. As a tropical native, Platycerium quadridichotomum prefers warm temperatures between 18 to 29 degrees Celsius, 64 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid cold drafts or sudden temperature fluctuations. Humidity matters. High humidity, above 70%, is essential for this fern's well-being. Consider using a humidifier or placing the plant near a pebble tray filled with water. While these requirements might seem daunting, with proper care and attention, you can cultivate a thriving Platycerium quadridichotomum. Platycerium quadridichotomum versus other staghorn ferns. Several Platycerium species share this staghorn moniker. Here's how Platycerium quadridichotomum stands out. Frond division. Unlike some staghorn ferns with variable frond forking, Platycerium quadridichotomum consistently divides its fertile fronds into 4 segments. Habitat preference. While some staghorn ferns are comfortable on trees, Platycerium quadridichotomum often grows on limestone rocks in its native habitat. Dormancy. Unlike some staghorn ferns that adapt to drier periods, Platycerium quadridichotomum struggles with dormancy and might not recover if allowed to dry out completely. Understanding these distinctions can help you choose the right staghorn fern for your growing conditions and preferences. Tips for growing Platycerium quadridichotomum. Here are some pointers to ensure your Platycerium quadridichotomum flourishes. Mounting matters. Mount your fern on a well-draining medium like cork bark or a coconut husk. Watering wisely. Water deeply when the top inch of the mounting medium feels dry, but allow for proper drainage to prevent root rot. Misting magic. Regularly mist the fern, especially in drier environments, to maintain high humidity. Fertilize for success. Use a balanced, diluted fertilizer monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, and withhold it during winter. Remember, consistency is key. By providing consistent light, moisture, warmth, and humidity, you can create a happy home for your Platycerium quadridichotomum. The allure of Platycerium quadridichotomum. Despite its challenges, Platycerium quadridichotomum offers a unique and rewarding experience for fern enthusiasts. Its captivating form, with the contrasting sterile and fertile fronds, adds a touch of the exotic to any indoor space. With dedicated care and the right environment, you can witness the slow, graceful growth of this remarkable fern. The satisfaction of nurturing a thriving Platycerium quadridichotomum is a reward in itself.